Excuse me. Hello? Oh, geez, I'm sorry, best friend. Did I just happen to sneeze on those salmon bites? I didn't mean to do that at all. I've only been sitting here for 20 minutes now waiting for you to give me one, but that's okay. You probably don't want to eat any of them now anyway, right? I mean, I did just sneeze on them, and I'm feeling a little bit under the weather, so you probably really shouldn't touch those anymore. And I wouldn't want to see you throw them away. So since I already sneezed on them, the best bet is probably just to let me have them. They smell so delicious. Yeah. See what I mean, best friend? Yeah, it's contagious. You better back off.